Hi, I'm David Smith. Just thought I'd have a discussion with you guys about something called equivalence. Equivalence is, for translation, the notion that two different terms, words, or sentences can have exactly the same meaning. So, for example, does hello mean ni hao in Chinese? Are they exactly the same, or are they very, very close? If you think about the actual meaning of the word, when you would say it, when do you say ni hao in Chinese, and when do you say hello in English? Do you say hello when you meet a stranger? Do you say hello when you answer the phone? Do you say hello when you are pleasantly surprised by something? Uh, the baggage that kind of comes with the words is also quite different. So if you look at a word, again, hello, it makes you think of the song Hello, Lionel Richie, or the Adele song, whereas the Chinese word wouldn't do that. But a Chinese speaker saying ni hao may remind them of something. Of course, the word hello rhymes with certain words, it takes 5 letters. The Chinese equivalent doesn't rhyme with those words, obviously. Um, so while the main function of the words may be equivalent, the question is, can all the functions be equivalent at the same time? Can I say hello to someone while reminding them of the song, while using 5 letters, while using a word that's existed in medieval English? And can you do the equivalent in Chinese? And if so, do you use the same word? Like in Spanish, I think when you answer the phone, you say dígame. You don't say hola. So, so could hola and hello be equivalent? So anyway, equivalence is a big question for translators, always studying different ways to ask the question, are these two phrases equivalent? Can they be equivalent? Can they be more equivalent? How important is context? How important is cotext? And so on and so on. The general consensus seems to be there's no 100% equivalence because a lot of that baggage that comes with the words will always be a bit different. But a translator's job is to try and choose the word that is equivalent for that exact context where it's being used. Sometimes you have to use a word in the other language that's quite different to match that kind of baggage. So if the name of the song, the Lionel Richie song in Chinese might be very different to the word ni hao, so you might have to use that, or you may just be able to use the word ni hao, or use a different song or something like that. So equivalence, very interesting, important to understand it. General consensus is you don't get 100% equivalence at the moment, but who knows how the language theory is going to develop over time. Thanks, this is David Smith.